Okay, today I'd like to continue our series of Vulnhub. The box is OSCP, which is a bit straightforward and simple, because I have already done it several minutes ago. But I'd like to go through it again. To save time, I have already imported into the VirtualBox, and the IP address of target has been identified as 254. And also, as you can see, I've already completed the Nmap scanning. From the scanning result, we can see there are 3 open ports. The first one is 22, and the second one is 80 for HTTP. And the next one is some sort of the MySQL database. So I think the next thing we can do about this box is to do some enumeration for the 80 ports, my bad. And then let's open up the Firefox. And I already opened it. So just refresh the page. As you can see here, welcome to the hunt. And you must be a member of the server in order to use the command above. Oh yeah, I almost forgot, the only user on this box is OSCP. So this is very important information. So we do not need to think of any other username. The only username in this box is OSCP. So what we do is to check if there are any robots. Okay, very direct hint. So this file is displayed on the screen, and we should visit this file, secret. And apparently this is encoded in base 46. Sorry, my bad. Base 64. So we need to decode this message, and we can do this like copy the URL and paste in here, and redirect to the file, and we can cut the content of this file. So this is a very simple box, because now we have already got the private key for the SSH. So we need to change mode to the 400, and because just from this page, from the first page, we have already seen that the only user on this box is OSCP. So we just log in by specify the private key file and username. Okay, now we successfully log in as OSCP. Let's check it. ID. And let's, where are we? Yeah, and we can list the content of this home directory. So nothing very interesting thing here. And let's cut the bash history. Okay, nothing very useful. Okay. Now we can find, we can check if we can run the command of sudo, but we do not know the password for the OSCP yet. So we just try some random password like admin, also like root. Also the 3 incorrect password attempts. So the next thing for the privilege escalation, I always do is to find the file with SUID bit, and then we can utilize this SUID bit to escalate our privilege, and we can specify the, and we just want to search the file, not directory. And redirect error to long or the black hole. Okay, here, as you can see, yeah, we can run this command, the bash, to get the root privilege. So this is very simple, just as I said. Now we got the root shell and go to the root directory and list the content of this directory, and we got the final flag or the root flag. Okay, that's done. So this box is very straightforward, and thank you for watching and patience. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.